Today we're going to be sharing how to make these hand-blown string eggs for Easter. The first technique I used was using just a large embroidery needle and a hammer to gently tap holes on each end of the egg. And on the bottom side where you blow the rest of the egg out, I just created a slightly larger hole by breaking a little bit of the shell off. The second technique, and the one that I preferred, was using a drill. You do have to be really gentle with it, but I preferred doing this, and then I just washed my drill bits afterwards. So I started with a smaller drill bit, and then just to create a larger hole in the bottom, I went back and very gently drilled a larger hole. Then I just used a needle, you could use a nail also, to kind of break the yolk apart inside. Then, washing your eggs beforehand, just blow the inside of the egg out by blowing through the top smaller hole, and everything should come out the bottom. Then you'll just need a few different types of thread, an embroidery needle that's slightly longer than the length of your egg, and some scissors. So I just took off a long piece of thread to start. I threaded it through my needle, and then you're just gonna thread that directly through the top of the egg towards the bottom. Then you're just gonna pull the thread all the way through to the other end basically, and then you'll tie it together in a knot, and then just push the knot kind of up into the egg to hide it, and then trim off the excess of the shorter end. Then you'll just repeat going through the egg over and over depending on how much string you want on the egg. And if you need more string, you can just tie it together and make sure that the knot is in the center of the egg so you don't see it rather than on the outside, and then you can tie it off and it's done.